One gets rupees 120 more when the profit percentage on a commodity is increased from 24% to 27%. What is its cost price? Now, let's understand the question. Now, whenever you are given selling price or cost price and profit percentage, we can use this formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into multiplier. Okay. Now, because in this case we have two profit percentages. Now, whenever profit percentage is there, multiplier becomes 1 plus. Because it is profit, it is plus the fraction equivalent of the profit percentage. So you can say that it is 24 upon 100. So you can say that this becomes 1.24. Okay. Now let's say the first selling price 1 is 1.24. Now let's assume the cost price as X. So therefore selling price 1 comes out as 1.24x. Selling price 2 is with 27% x. So therefore the multiplier for that will be 1 plus 27 upon 100, which comes out to be 1.27. So you have the formula 1.27x. Now when do we get the second selling price? When do we get 27% profit? When you are charging 120 rupees more. So therefore, we can have a very simple equation, that is selling price 2 minus selling price 1 is equal to 120. So 1.27x minus 1.24x is equal to 120. So that means 0.03x is equal to 120. So if we solve this, you get the value of x as 4,000. And x is the cost price. So that's what we are asked. Answer becomes 4,000.